To address issues with Google Meet, start by restarting your device, as this often resolves the problem. If the issue persists, try reinstalling the Google Meet app by tapping and holding on the app icon, selecting Remove App, and then reinstalling it from the App Store. Another approach is to switch your network connection. If you're using Wi-Fi, try mobile data, and vice versa. If none of these steps work, you can reset your device's network settings. To do this, open the Settings menu, navigate to General, then scroll down to Transfer or Reset. Select Reset, and choose Reset Network Settings. This will reboot your device and reset its network settings, which should allow the Google Meet app to function properly. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve common issues with the Google Meet app on both iOS and Android devices.